Hey, what's up, fellow folks? My name is Victor Ogwari from Kampalite Books. I am your programming assistant, and we had an assignment, right? Kenyatta University students. And the assignment was to come up with a PAYEE system using goto, switch statements, and break statements, and continue statements. That is using your Visual Studio codes, right? So I wrote a code, and here it is. It is so long, I don't know how many lines. Let me just make an arrow over here to know the lines that I have. line 90. So these are 90 lines worth of code. So as you can see, it is too long. I'm not going to rewrite it. I'm just going to help you comprehend the psychology of this code. I think this is the header file. You know about header files. So I have declared an integer a 10,165. That is the first task. B, this is now the second tax, the one that should be taxed next after 10,000 for any salary. And then we have an integer c, I, r. This r is the relief, and z. I have declared so many integers, you will see their uses. And doubles, this is the decimal point. I have a couple of them, you will see their uses. So the int main, then you can see after the int main I have a start, then a colon. This is a label. I'll tell you its use in the end of the video. I basically labeled the entire program to start. This is its label. So another opening bracket and printf, enter your monthly salary, then scanf, and it is stored in I, that monthly salary. Now if I is greater than 0 and less than 10k 165, go to tax 1. Go to tax 1. Now if you go to, there's a switch C. Now this C, I declared it over here. Therefore C is an integer. I declared it as an integer. So there is case 1, which is an integer, another case of C, which is also an integer, another case 3, an integer, case 4, an integer, 5 cases, all integers. And beneath the case is a label. And you've been told if the income is between these numbers, go to tax 1. Now if you go to tax 1 over here, you find this piece of code. Now J, which I declared as a double, is equal to A, which is 10,165 times 0.1, which is 10% basically. And then beneath it is printf. First, 10,165 at 10% is percentage f, and that percentage f is this J over here after the calculation. Then if I, the monthly salary, is less than or equal to 10,165, break that code. The use of break is to terminate any further or future executions. Once it meets this condition, the execution will break over here and your program will end. That is if I is less than this amount or equal. If we have a situation where you have an income that is greater than 10,165, but it is less than 19,741, it will first go to tax 1, as I have explained with this first if. Then after it is done, it will confirm, if it is done, it will confirm if I is less than this. But remember, our I is greater than it. It will come back here and go to tax 2. Where is tax 2? Tax 2 here, under case 2. Now this label, beneath it is another code. K, which is a float, is equal to B, 9,000 and something. B is 9,597 times 0.15, which is 15%. Now next, cash 9597 at 15% will be percentage F, and that percentage F is K, and K is our tax. Okay, now if that I is less than or equal to 1971, it will break that code and that execution will end there. That's simple. The same thing goes for if the salary falls here. It will go to tax 1, complete its code, go to tax 2, complete its code, go to tax 3. Let us go to tax 3. Here it is. L is equals to B, which is 1957 times 20%. Then it will print F, percentage F, L. This L shall be printed, and L is our tax over here. Now it will confirm that it is less than 29,317. Then the code will terminate here at break. Okay, same case applies for this one. Else, go to the following. It will go to tax 1, execute its code, same story here, same story over here, same story over here, then same story over here. Tax 5. Let's go to tax 5. If I is greater than 38,893, the new I shall be our monthly salary minus the first tax plus the other subsequent taxes which are in bracket. So our new I shall be taxed at 30%. This is the final one, the balance. Okay, if you read the question, this is the balance. So it will print F, balance is this blah 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 at 30%, percentage F, then I and P. So balance percentage D is a placeholder for I, your new salary, I mean the remaining balance salary. Then percentage F, it's the placeholder for this P, the tax. Why do I keep confusing? The tax P, which is I at 30%. Okay, now TT, what is TT? Total tax is equals to J plus K plus N plus L plus P. Where am I getting this thing? P, this is the tax over here. L, where is the L? L is the tax over here. N, same story, there's a tax called N somewhere. There's an M over here, and the M, wait, I did not include M. Let me just fix it in there real quick. Plus M, like that. So all taxes are here. So if your code broke at here, your A shall be included in this total tax. Not A, I mean your J shall be included in the total tax. What is it? J. And the rest shall be 0. Okay? Now payee is equals to total tax minus relief. And relief we had initialized it to 1162. Okay? So that is simple arithmetic. So this shall be executed. Now net salary is I, your gross salary, minus payee. Okay, and pay is already initially calculated over here. So now it is the printfs that remain. Printf total tax is %f. Payee is equals to total tax minus tax relief, which is equals to %f minus %d, which is equals to %f. So this %f is the placeholder for total tax. Another %f over here holds the place of this one. Then %d, remember it was an integer, it is the relief. And finally that arithmetic gives us a %f called the payee. Okay, so total tax minus relief brings the payee. I think that is simple. Printf net salary is equal to gross salary minus payee, which is equal to %d, a placeholder for gross salary, which is I. Remember, we scanned F and stored it at I, minus the payee, which is %f, a decimal point, payee, which is equal to %f, a net salary. And net salary was calculated here. Okay, so printf, do you want to carry out another payee computation? 1 for yes and 0 for no. Then scan f %d and store it at z. This is why I declared so many integers over here, including z. If 0, printf, thanks for spending wisely. Printf, thanks, spend wisely. Okay, your program is done with you. Else means if that person chose 1, go to our label called start. Okay, and start is at the beginning of the code. Now this code will execute again. So it is that simple. Okay, now the trickiest part, and it is basically what tells the difference between a good programmer and a not so good programmer, is your brackets. These curly brackets, I call them squiggly brackets. This one should always match with this one. And you should know which bracket should match with which one. You should know the closing one and the opening one, because once one is missing, errors are bound to arise. Okay, execution won't happen if some are missing. So just ensure that all correlate. Now I'm going to press F6 to build my program. Build started, like that. Build started. Come on, I need to get this computer to move faster. Build succeed. Now Control F5 to run the program. And there. enter your monthly salary. The example on the question was 40,000. Like that. First, blah blah blah. Next, blah blah blah. Next, blah blah blah. Next, blah blah blah. Balance that. Total tax calculated. PAYEE, which is total tax minus the tax relief, gives us this. Net salary, blah blah blah. Do you want to carry out another PAYEE computation? I'm going to press 1. Enter month salary, 60,000. Same thing. Okay. Now I'm going to scroll down slowly for you to look at this code very well. Oh man, you people, you need to changa to accumulate funds for this channel. We are running out of funds. Now I'm going to scroll slowly. Else, like that. Oh, as I scroll, I'd like to shout out my friend Dennis Kaboy for providing me with nothing. I'd like to shout out Shadrach for also providing me with nothing. And shout out to the entire programming class 2017. And shout out to our lecturer, Dr. Agutu, Mr. Gordon. Yeah, shout outs are over. Apply for shout outs in the comments, and also don't forget to subscribe, by the way. This channel will help you a lot if you are a student at Kenyatta University. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.